Alright, well, I got everything hooked up here. My white is spare in dash, okay? The green wire here, it goes to the head temperature sender. The yellow goes to the tachometer. And the black goes to the oil pressure gauge. And I took the liberty of marking everything in here. Everything's marked. Spare and dash. Yellow to tachometer from coil. To head temp sender. Black oil pressure sender. Okay. Now I can go ahead and put this puppy in. So, let's see.
My wife Chris and I were discussing some things that we needed done around the house. Painting was one of them. So we didn't know who to call. We had heard Certapro painters before, but we also
Let's see.
one of the biggest painting companies in America. So we wanted to deal with somebody we could, shake hands with, look in the eye. Found out that's exactly what Certapro painters are.
Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put this puppy in here. We'll get everything hooked up except for that one, the 12 volt for the oil pressure sender, which I'm going to wrap. Yeah, I got a little bit more work to do. I'll see you in a bit. I'm going to wrap some stuff with electrical tape here and make it pretty.